we're going to make a wooden toy today. So hi guys, my name is Kaleena, and so today I am making a wooden toy with my ate. Hi! She was hiding. Okay guys, so here it is. Wow. This will take us so much time. We have lots of princesses and toys, but we have not that much furnitures because the furnitures we use, some of them are too big, some of them are too small and stuff. So we are wondering if this would be enough for my toys. Yep. Our toys, I meant. Yep. Here are a few of the toys. Hatchimals. I have the ocean. Oh my god! I accidentally poured all of them out. I should put them all back. Here. This is so awkward. Why did I say skate? Okay guys, so let's begin. Ate will be here to help me. Of course. We're gonna open it and then color it later on. We love removing the plastic. Be careful with the rest. That sounded really nice. We love. Ooh, instructions. Ooh. We're not gonna need that. Yeah. Look. Instructions. We don't need that. I don't need that. Yeah. We might speak too soon. And then we might say at the beginning of the video we spoke too soon, right? OMG! Inside there are 4 wooden pieces. I think we might have part 2 and part 3 of this. No, we won't. It's very easy to assemble. Oh.
A few moments later.
So guys, apparently we really need help because it's very difficult. It's difficult assembling it. So we might need to assemble it. So guys, this was very hard to do. And Mom helped us with writing numbers on them. So we would know what part of wood should we connect it with. I almost removed one already. Well, I think it's actually already time to remove. Well, yeah. I'll do this one and this one. You'll do that one and that one. Okay, Ate? Okay. Oh, this is one of the beds, I think. So where's another 78? This is like a quest to find some numbers, guys. Oh. I'm having fun, but I'm not having fun looking for everything. Where is it? I'm very confused what I'm doing. Me too. Where's 107 again? I think I saw it. Where's 107? Ah! Someone please help. Where is Johnny? 107! 107! Ah! So guys, it took us so long to do, so we decided to take a snack break. I choked on the pizza. I think she's okay. So far we have done these. We'll be back once we're done. Bye. See you later.
One eternity later.
Here are some of the things we made and our mess that we made too. Yeah, some are already sticking. For the grand surprise for the Hatchimals. Let's get our Hatchimals at that. Yeah, sure. Hatchimals, we have a new home for you. Now you don't have to live in these eggshells. Yeah. Oh wait, the twins can actually fit in the bathtub. Hey, I'm also down there. Can I join?
You can try.
Oh wait, you can actually join.
Okay, how about
This
walrus?
is wait.
How
Where's
about this
the
walrus?
the bathroom? Goes awkwardly over here in front.
Ollie can't even say. It's really hard to make.
But the thing about it is we had a really wonderful time.
And now I can cook the Hatchimals.
So I guess that's it, guys. So thank you so much for being with us. Stay safe and happy all the time, guys. Bye. See you on the next video.
We're just gonna play with our Hatchimals.